The great outdoors beckon, inviting us to step outside and savor the beauty of nature. Embracing the elements in your kitchen means bringing the essence of the wild into your culinary adventures. Outdoor cooking, it's more than just food. It's an experience that engages all your senses. Fresh air, open skies, the crackle of fire. These elements create a magical atmosphere. It's about connecting with nature while creating delicious meals. No walls, no limits, just pure freedom. Just you, the elements, and the thrill of the cook. The joy of crafting meals in such settings is unparalleled. Outdoor cooking lets you break free from the ordinary, transforming every meal into an adventure. It's about experimenting with flavors under the open sky, where creativity knows no bounds. It's about sharing good food and even better company, creating memories that last a lifetime. So, fire up the grill, stoke the campfire, and let's get cooking. Embrace the elements and let your culinary journey begin. Nature's curveballs. Weathering the storm and equipment hiccups is part of the adventure. Let's face it, outdoor cooking isn't always a walk in the park. It can be a real test of patience and skill. Mother Nature can be unpredictable. One moment, the sun is shining brightly, and the next, you're caught in a torrential downpour. Always be prepared. Have a backup plan. Can you move everything under a tree or set up a tarp quickly? Think ahead and act fast. Adaptability is key. Setting up a tarp or a canopy can save your meal from getting drenched. Equipment can also be a challenge. Grills malfunction at the worst times. Camp stoves run out of fuel just when you need them most. Keep your cool. Improvise. Use what you have on hand. Use charcoal for that smoky flavor. It's about resourcefulness and making the best of the situation. Overcome obstacles with a smile and a can-do attitude. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey. Triumph over fire, the sweet taste of outdoor cooking success. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a successful outdoor cookout. The aroma of grilled meats fills the air, the sizzle of vegetables on the fire, the smiles on everyone's faces as they savor the flavors. Outdoor cooking is a labor of love. It's about mastering the elements. It's about the joy of serving a meal cooked with your own two hands. It's about creating memories that linger long after the last ember fades. From grill marks to campfire tales exploring the world of outdoor cooking styles, grilling, smoking, campfire cooking, the possibilities are endless. Each method offers its own unique charm and flavor profile. Grilling is all about high heat and those beautiful sear marks. Smoking infuses food with rich, smoky goodness. Campfire cooking evokes a sense of adventure. Imagine roasting marshmallows over an open flame. Experiment with different woods for unique smoky flavors. Applewood for poultry, hickory for ribs. The choice is yours. Secrets from the open flame, tips and tricks for outdoor cooking mastery. Outdoor cooking is an art. Here are a few tips to elevate your game. First, always preheat your grill. This ensures even cooking and those desirable grill marks. Second, invest in a good meat thermometer. Don't overcook your meat. Remember, it continues to cook even after you take it off the heat. Lastly, be adventurous. Try new marinades, rubs, and sauces. Outdoor cooking is your playground. A pizza, my heart conquering the Dutch oven pizza. Let's talk Dutch oven pizza. This campfire classic is easier than you think. Start with a pre-made pizza crust or make your own. Grease your Dutch oven generously. Layer on your favorite toppings. Place the Dutch oven over hot coals, ensuring even heat distribution. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Share the bounty, share the story, the joys of outdoor cooking and community. There's something magical about cooking and eating outside, surrounded by nature and the people you care about. Outdoor cooking is best enjoyed with loved ones. The laughter, the shared moments, and the delicious food create an atmosphere of joy and togetherness. It's about gathering around the fire, sharing stories, and creating memories that last a lifetime. These moments become the stories we tell and retell, bonding us even closer. So, invite your friends, fire up the grill, and let the good times roll. The simple act of cooking together can turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary one. Remember, outdoor cooking is all about experimentation and fun. Try new recipes, mix different ingredients, and don't be afraid to get creative. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and learn as you go. Every mishap is just another step towards mastering the art of outdoor cooking. The most important ingredient is passion. When you cook with love and enthusiasm, it shows in the food and the experience. Now go forth and conquer the great outdoors, one delicious meal at a time. Embrace the adventure, savor the flavors, and cherish the moments.